Okay, here we are at Denver Airport subway train again. We may have to miss unless... Oh wait, here we go. We'll go for the next one.
Board here for all A gates, terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claims.
There goes that one.
Board here for all C gates.
Board here for all A gates, terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claims. The doors are closing. This train is departing.
Board here for all C gates.
The train is arriving. Please.
Oh, we
keep
got the
clear.
odor again. Car 31, like in the other video.
Board here for all A gates, terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claims.
Excuse me?
Where's this one gonna be like, you know? Yeah.
Door's gonna close in a few seconds.
I'm Matt, by the way. Nice to meet you.
I want to miss these old vehicles once they get taken out. Especially when I go meet Dorothy the
The
dinosaur.
doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates.
Yeah. Yeah. Get stuff from Australia. Like, I think a lot of Australian people when I'm in Thailand and Vietnam. They don't take this stuff. They're wild though. They just go. They start like, hey, where's your first one? My face. I'm like, my friend. You did a practice first? I'm like, alright. I don't know if I do. But with eyes, then I'm like, what do you do for a living? And they'll tell me something that requires FaceTime and like see. I'm like, okay.
Different, right?
Yeah, no, different. Yeah. That and the British people do. They just go, I'm just gonna do my forehead for my first tattoo or something.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the other thing holding me back. I still got to suit up every day.
Please watch your step.
And likewise. Nice talking to you. I wasn't going to tell you, but I will. I'm a Gators fan. Excuse me.
I forgot to like play it in the middle here. Hey, buddy. Oh, God, the battery.
Go ahead.
Sorry, thank you. And see now, yeah. We're going. Thank you. Very well.
Hi.
Exciting.
The doors are closing.
Oh,
Please keep clear and hold on.
Someone
for
made it.
Departure to terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claim.
Hello.
What shall we do?
Wait.
Very neat, huh?
Ow.
Nobody has to drive it.
Welcome to Denver. This is Hunter Goodman, catcher, all-star, and Silver Slugger winner for your Colorado Rockies. Did you know that our stadium has the highest elevation of any ballpark in the majors? The Purple Row sits 5,280 feet, exactly a mile high. We hope you enjoy your time in Denver. Go Rockies.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the terminal. Ground transportation and baggage claim. This is the terminal. All passengers, please exit and follow signs to ground transportation and baggage claim. Please watch your step.
How was that? Okay.
All passengers, please exit.
All right, that's it.